Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix VC runtime 140 underscore 1DL error in a very easy way. Just search for Microsoft C++ Redistributable download, enter, latest supported Visual C++. Click this link. Just scroll down. Here we have this link. If your PC is 32-bit, click this link. And if your PC is 64-bit, click this link. My PC is 64, so I click this link. Yes, my download is started. Just we have to wait. But please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Okay, show in folder. Okay, this one. Just right click, run as administrator. Yes, select this one and install. Setup successful. After closing, you just have to restart your PC and the error is gone. Have a nice day.